Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Wings of Heroes on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you will end up right here to Ldplayer, and you want to click download Ldplayer 9, and you want to open it. I already got it installed, but what you want to do, I create a tutorial for you. So you want to click download Ldplayer, then you want to press install, and it's going to download for you. And then you're gonna have an LD store here. So you want to sign to your Google Play account, so home, system apps, Play Store. You're gonna find Wings of Heroes and you're gonna press download. And play. And now it's going to download some data. Okay, and how to play it, so we need to have action here, so I'll have here Mega Cannon, gun sight can be air, then you can have the control move direction in game, and then we can have also rotate the view, and we can have like this also. See, and now we're just like using the right mouse to actually move, but we need to have the Mega Cannon here. So give me a second, let's have this spacebar. Okay, spacebar is firing, so we're gonna go down, and I'm just using right mouse, right? And that guy is dead. Okay, down. Down. And you can also use VASD, it's completely up to you. And look at this guy. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.